Hey there, welcome to this free training on how you can make your first $100 selling master resale rights, MMR, digital products, even if you're just getting started. My name is Sharon Johnson, founder of Exclusive Craft Academy and Exclusive Gift and Event Designs, and I've helped countless entrepreneurs turn digital assets into real income. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what MRR is, where to find profitable products, and how to start making sales fast. Plus, stick around because I have a special freebie for you to enjoy. Ready? Let's go. First, let's break down what MRR actually is. MRR stands for Master Resale Rights, which means you buy a digital product once. You hear me? You buy the digital product once and have the legal rights to resell it over and over and over, keeping 100% of the profits. It's like owning a vending machine, except instead of snacks, you're selling digital products that people need. This means no inventory, no shipping, no customer fulfillment headaches, and it's all digital and automatic. When I say digital and automatic, it's digital and automatic. No equipment is needed. The only thing you're going to need, honestly, is a laptop and an external hard drive. That is it. That's all you're going to need. Okay? That's all you need to be able to get started. Now, you might be asking yourself, where exactly am I supposed to find my products that I want to resell, right? First off, let me say this. Not all MRR products are created equal, so you want to pick high demand products that people are searching for, okay? The best niches that I have did my research and found that sell really fast, especially for crafters, is templates. Templates, templates, templates. Not just templates, but designs as well. Yes, you heard me right. Designs. Okay. Business and marketing templates, Canva designs once again, and printables. Social media planners, ebooks and courses, financial trackers, and journals. Okay. Now there's a lot more out there, but we're just going to start you off small and then we'll work our way into something bigger. Okay. You can buy MRR products from trusted marketplaces like Exclusive Craft Academy. Yeah, you heard that right. Exclusive Craft Academy. Exclusive Craft Academy is just that. It's a craft academy. It's an academy where you go to learn all different type of crafts. But sometimes you have to pivot in your business. So I figured, why not help you guys pivot? I already have the templates. I already have the designs. So I want to go ahead and do you a solid. Okay. Or you can even create your own and license it as MRI, or excuse me, MRR to others. All right. So you want to know how you're going to make your first $100, right? Well, the first thing I'm going to say is pick your product. You have to pick your MRR product. Okay. I have a checklist that will be available at the end. Hold on, we're almost there. That you'll be able to download and utilize to find the right product for yourself. Okay. When you find the right product for yourself, and not just the right product, but the product I'm going to give you, you can go ahead and customize it by adding your branding, your tweaking to the design, and just small gifs like that. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is set up a sales page, such as Shopify or ThinkIt, or you can even try this on Etsy if you like. But you also have to remember that when you are reselling these products and marketing them on your own, that it's going to fit with inside of your business if you are not already selling digital products. Okay. So the way that you can automate delivery is by using ThinkIt, Gumroad, or Google Drive. Okay. A lot of people on Etsy are utilizing Google Drives to be able to send off large files. So you can think about a Google Drive. Just know it is a monthly fee. Okay. You're going to drive traffic and make sales. So you have to levy the social media. Yeah, people say ads, but you can maneuver without ads, right? And email marketing is a must. Email marketing is a must. Okay. One tip that I am going to tell you is the most fast way to get sales is using Facebook groups, TikTok, and Instagram stories. Post about your products. Post about your products. Yes, post about your products. Whether you use a faceless reel or you are just maneuvering it the best way you know how. Okay. If you have already been in the business, in the craft industry, selling t-shirts, tumblers, mugs, then you most likely know how to market already. Okay. So offer limited time discounts, which will offer which will bring urgency to your offer that you are offering. Okay. I find that that works, and I hope that you find this works as well. All right. So now that you know a little bit about the MRI, I want to help you take action today. Okay. I literally want to help you take action today. What I want you to do is click below, grab my free MRR product that I have for you. And it's fully licensed to resell so you can start making money today. Plus, if you're serious about scaling this to $1,000+ I invite you to join exclusive MRR Profit Academy, where I teach you step by step how to build reoccurring income with MRR products. MRR products, okay? Inside, you'll get exclusive templates from Exclusive Craft Academy, live coaching, and monthly product drops. So you'll never run out of things to sell. Okay. When I say that you'll never run out of things to sell, you'll never run out of things to sell. You'll have things from t-shirt templates to journals to time management to advertisement. And guess what? I even have stuff over there that you can be able to customize just in time for what? Grad season, the biggest selling season of the year. Okay. What I want you to do is click the link below to grab your freebie and check out the Academy. All right. That's what I want you to do. Thank you for joining me for this free lesson. Remember, the best way to make money is to take action. So grab your free MRR product and start selling today. I can't wait to see you inside the exclusive Profit Academy. Drop any questions you might have down below, and I'll see you on the other side.